Hi guys, welcome to Cocinando con los Iwits. Today I'm gonna show you how we make these delicious breaded shrimp tacos. Look at this super delicious breaded shrimp. It's super good and easy to make, so flavorful. Okay, let's start.
Hi, my name is Shade and this is my sister Alani.
Hi, my name is Alani and today we're gonna make breaded shrimp tacos. These are the ingredients that we are going to use today. These are breadcrumbs. You can use whichever breadcrumbs you like, but today we are using panko. And these are shrimp, of course. These are the large size of shrimp. And 3 eggs, tortillas, and this is what we're going to put on our shrimp tacos. Guacamole, salsa, cabbage, pico, pickled onions, and sour cream. We're going to start cutting our shrimp just like a butterfly style.
Okay guys, the next step is just to start cracking the eggs, and we're gonna put them in a bowl, and that's what we're gonna use for the shrimp to start breading the shrimp. Gonna keep cracking all of them. Okay guys, we're done mixing the eggs. Now we're gonna start breading our shrimp.
Okay, we're gonna bread the shrimp. So first we're gonna put it in the egg and then in panko, then on a plate.
Just make sure it's completely covered by panko. You can add more and press it down so it gets completely covered by the panko or by the breadcrumbs.
Okay, I'm gonna keep breading the shrimp.
We're still breading our shrimp, and I just wanted to tell you that these breadcrumbs have already seasoning and flavor, and that's why I didn't add anything else. But if you want to use the plain breadcrumbs, you can either put salt, garlic, and pepper to your shrimp, or you can add it to the egg and then mix it all together, and that's gonna give the shrimp a delicious flavor too. Okay, we're gonna finish breading this shrimp.
Okay, we're done breading all the shrimp. Now we're going to start frying it.
Good job, guys. Looks delicious. Okay, guys, we're gonna start frying the shrimp. We have our oil ready, and now we're gonna start frying all the shrimp. The oil has to be like warm, super hot. Just don't burn them. And they cook super fast, and they have to have that brownish, reddish color. And you just leave them in there for like half a minute, and then turn them around, and then leave them in there for another half minute, and then you can flip them again and check if they're ready. Guys, the shrimp are ready. We're gonna start taking them out, and we have a plate ready with a napkin to kind of drain the oil so they're not too oily. And they have that delicious color on them already. It smells super good. While Shaden is cooking the rest of the shrimp, frying the rest of the shrimp, Alan is starting to warm the tortillas for our tacos because we want to eat them when they're nice and warm, so we have to have the tortillas warm too. The shrimp are ready, our tortillas are almost ready, so let's start making these delicious breaded shrimp tacos. Hey guys, the delicious shrimp is ready, and look how delicious it looks. Now we're gonna start making our delicious tacos. And you can just put any ingredients that you like in your taco. That's the good thing about this.
And my taco is ready. Taco is ready. It is so delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna make my taco. This is how I like my tacos, just with everything. So I'm gonna put the shrimp. I'm gonna put some cabbage. I'm gonna put some of the pico onions that I have the recipe for all of these in my channel already. If you don't know how to make the pico cabbage or pico onion, I have the recipes there for all of these. I'm gonna add some of the pico de gallo. I have the recipe in my channel too. Some guacamole. I like them with everything. Some green salsa. And some of the sour cream. And look how delicious it is. This is definitely a super delicious shrimp breaded taco. And this is how our delicious shrimp breaded tacos look. You can put some breaded shrimp on the side, that it is so delicious. And of course, we're gonna have it with our delicious cucumber and lime water that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like, a comment, and share, please. Thank you so much for watching our video, and see you soon.